Hi, my name is Julia and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about JointRestore Gummies review before actually buying the product. So I want you to see this video until the end. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about JointRestore Gummies supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy JointRestore Gummies from, because JointRestore Gummies supplement is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is JointRestore Gummies supplement and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, JointRestore Gummies is an effective supplement that is mostly used to relieve aching joints. People suffering from chronic pain including knee, back, and joint pain can consume JointRestore Gummies. Prosper Wellness includes full-spectrum CBD and natural herbs to support joint health. JointRestore Gummies ingredients: each JointRestore gummy contains 20 mg of full-spectrum CBD, 200 mg of Boswellia Serrata Extract and 3 grams of cane sugar. CBD has non-addictive and therapeutic cannabidiol when consumed in a low dosage. It restores body health and counters inflammation. CBD is scientifically proven as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substance. The components relieve muscle and joint pain and prevent chronic inflammation. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with JointRestore Gummies supplement, and you can have results as well. Plus, working with a lab that is FDA and US Hemp Authority approved is expensive. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test JointRestore Gummies for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for JointRestore Gummies to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, JointRestore Gummies supplement has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video JointRestore Gummies review, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy JointRestore Gummies from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. I really hope this video JointRestore Gummies review helped you, and I also hope that JointRestore Gummies supplement actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. I wish you a great treatment.